Welcome. This video is a step-by-step tutorial on how to register for our upcoming events. So let's get started. So you go to our website at elevatedconnectionsagency.com, as you can see right here. When you get onto our website, you click on the Events tab. Once you get to our Events tab, you could see that we have listed already our upcoming events by date and times. There you go. So when you choose the date for the event, you click on the image, and this image shows you what our event looks like in a metaverse. So click on this. And then once you're on the page, you click the link right here. And now you're at the registration page. Once here, you click on Register for Event.
Building relationships is an essential activity that grows a business. It's called networking.
Once you're on the registration page, you click on Register for Event. And I actually already did this, but I'm just going to show you. And then you click on Continue with Email. And then this message pops up that says confirm your email. So you would go back to your email and click on where it says log into Universe or log into Inverse. Click here. It takes some time on my computer. And then you would actually click back. And you could click off here. And this window pops up. So then you add your name. And in the bio, you could put you're the owner of some business. I am the owner of Elevated Connections Agency, LLC, and hit the next button. Right here, you could link your profile. You could link your Twitter and your personal website.
At elevatedconnectionsagency@gmail.com, and let's discuss how we can customize.
And then once you do that, that's pretty much it. On the day of the event, you're receiving email reminding you the time that the event starts. You will click on that link, and it will take you to a page and prompt you to create an avatar. You could create an avatar that looks like you, which I recommend. Once you're done with that, then you'll be directed right into the event where you can mingle with other people. If you have further questions, email us at elevatedconnectionsagency@gmail.com. Again, it's elevatedconnectionsagency@gmail.com, and we look forward to seeing you there.